How's it going, guys and girls? Welcome back to the IC1 Creative YouTube channel, where I try and give you hints and tips on how to be more efficient with Maya and just general animation hints and tips. So for this one, this is how to create the Hotbar Marquee Editor and make a custom one of those. So this is an example of what a Marquee Editor is, or a Hotbar is another name for it. So if you hold down the spacebar, this will appear. And what this is so you can quick access things without going too far away from your current selection. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm super lazy, and anything what can make me more efficient in what I do as a job, the best. So what I'm gonna do now is show you how to create your own custom bar one of them, and it's very simple, but unfortunately there isn't much documentation on this, which is a bit weird. So what you need to do in order to create one of these is go to your Windows, Setting and Preferences, and you want to go to the Marquee menu editor. Click on that, and what this will bring up is like what you can currently do at the minute. So these are already pre-built commands to allow Maya to show up the hotbar. So when I said I showed you that space, this is probably one of those. But we don't want to do that. You want to create a custom one. As you can see, I've got one of my own already created. For this, I'm actually going to delete my own just so I can show you guys. Do not back up. So let's do this from scratch. So you're going to click Create New Marquee Menu. So click on that. And what this is when you hold down that your set command, what you give it at the time, this little menu will appear. And for example, normally what I tend to do is I put things on my shelf and I just drag them into it. So for this example, that's what I'm going to do. So I've got the locator located here. I'm going to middle mouse button and drag into a slot. And that is one of my slots. Let's put some more in here. This is the, what is this one? The ZV parent tool probably won't work because I think it's not working on mine. And zero out, translate some scripts I've created, and zero out, rotate. So let's put them there. And first, very important, what we're going to call it. So I'm going to call mine, for my name, my initials, so I don't forget it, JR. And it's from my animation, so I'm going to make it very animation related. Mission, there we go. Oh, FYI, can you see this? Can you see how this is bleeding out? It looks really sloppy. You want to keep this, the text in these really small, so that way you're not getting bloated marquee menu. So all you need to do to fix that is go right click, edit, and then click the label name. Let's get over to that. I'm just call it ZV. I'm going to call it ZVP just for short, because I know what it is. It's ZV Parent Master. Close, save and close. So it's nicely named now, which is good. Once you've done that, click save, and it should create one. So close that now. Right, this is something I had to Google it a long time ago in order to figure this out. But what you need to do next is something very important. You want to click on the actual marquee menu which you've created, and then click on the marquee menu. So you want to click on it and click Hotkey Editor. Click on that. That basically means you're allowed to assign it a button on the keyboard. So click apply, and then let's close this out. Next you want to do is go to Windows, use settings again, and now type in Hotkey Editor. And this should bring up this one. All you need to do is very simple, because whatever name you've given it, search it in the bottom there in this little section. So I call it JR Animation, and it's come up already straight away. So you want to click on press, and you want to assign a command button. In my case, I already know which one it is. I'm going to click that one, Alt 5, and click save. So now, when I hold down Alt 5 on my keyboard, and left click, it brings up my own personal hotbar, or marquee menu as they like to call it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat below. I'll do my very best to try and answer them. Or if you want me to make any certain tutorials on things you think I may know, please do so. But until then, please check me out on Twitch. I stream most weekdays animation, and this is one of my current projects which I'm working on at the minute, which is an attack animation. But until then, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please give me a like, and until then, catch you all very soon.